Master's degree program Welding Engineering. The program provides fundamental understanding of welding technologies and an awareness of recent technical developments in the oil and gas, shipbuilding, pipe industry, and construction. Sphere of knowledge includes management of design and production of welded structures. Master's degree program Welding Engineering. The program provides fundamental understanding and an awareness of recent developments in the oil and gas, shipbuilding, pipe industry, and construction. Sphere of knowledge includes management of design and production of welded structures. The unique combination of theory and practice provides fundamental understanding of welding technology and welded joints. Students receive a profound training in engineering and skills in computer-aided design and computer-aided manufacturing. Welding is integral to a wide range of products from classical welding, MMA, MIG, TIG, to special welding, laser and robotics. Students get acquainted with a high-tech production in the southern Urals. Key laboratories: Digital Welding Systems Laboratories, Automated and Robotics Welding Process Laboratory. There are a few laboratories, but the key laboratories are Digital Welding Process Laboratory and Automated and Robotic Welding Process Laboratory. What are the main courses? The main courses include Robotic Welding, Fundamentals of Welding. What are the main courses? The main courses are Theoretical Foundations of Welding, Robotic Welding. The main courses are Theoretical Fundamentals of Welding, Welding Robots, Russian as a Foreign Language, Metal Science in Welding Engineering. Students develop diverse and rewarding careers in a wide range of areas where the welding technology is utilized. The graduates are highly sought by Russian and international companies. For admission, there are certain requirements: bachelor degree or specialist degree. The English language proficiency should be intermediate, not lower than B1. You should also send CV. We are waiting for your application to our master's degree program in welding engineering. Welcome to our faculty.